Okay, this is a little extension video to show you how you can add cool graphics to your design in 5 minutes. So here I've got my little snake motif that I've added. If I want to do that, I need to basically copy and paste a silhouette from Google Images. So I go down to Google, I've already typed in snake silhouette. I'm looking for the simplest, easiest shape possible. The more complicated, the less likely it is to work. So if I have a look at this one, this is quite nice. It's got a series of different snake designs on it. I'm going to copy that image. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my file and I'm going to go Control V and paste it in. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to go to bitmaps and I need to go to enable transparency to get rid of the white, and then I need to take this and I need to contour around the snakes. So to do that, I click on bitmaps again, having selected the object, and I go to contour. I want my spacings to be 0.10 millimeters. I want my contour to be 1. You could go for more or less depending on what you want to do. So if I do 2 designs, I can show you what it will do. And I want to make sure they are a toolpath, and I want to exclude the transparent color around the outside, otherwise it will try to contour that as well. Now if I do this, what I should be left with in a moment are 2 contoured lines around my design, but I need to get rid of that or separate the 2 in order to see the outcome. Okay, and that's what I'm left with here. And then here you can see the second contour has been left. And let's see if I can drag this into position like so. And you can see that it's a very, very, very small difference between the 2. So small, I don't need them. I can just keep 1. So if I was to do that again properly, then let's delete this. Let's go back to this and contour it once. And let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to keep this over here and I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I've got my shapes. I need to make sure they're the right color. So let's go for red. Now these are all individual shapes, but I don't know if they're connected. So if I want to fill them, we'll go down to hatching and let's see what happens. Perfect. All right, so I'm happy with that and I want to cover my design in this particular motif. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And I need to scale it down so that it fits onto my console plate, like so. Okay, that would leave me with a series of snakes wrapped over the top of my dice.